An index is a statistical measure that tracks the performance of a group of assets, such as stocks or bonds, using a standardized methodology. Indexes are often used as benchmarks to evaluate the performance of individual investments or portfolios. For example, the S&P 500 index tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. Investing in an index provides diversification because it includes a broad range of assets, reducing the risk associated with investing in a single asset. Index investing is a passive strategy that aims to replicate the returns of a specific index by investing in the same assets that make up the index. Some well-known indexes include the S&P 500, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and the NASDAQ Composite.